Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 190. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. I don't see any help, so 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 6. 1 here, so 3, 6. And we've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8. That 6 means this is our 1, 6. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. And I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 here, 6 here, so this is our 8. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this column, this box, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so 4, 7, same here, 4, 7. We've got the 7 here, so 2, 4, 9. 7 and 2 here, so 4, 9. If we look now, the only place the 2 can be in that box is here. And now the only place the 9 can be is here. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 3, 4, 7. No help here, 3, 4, 7, 9. And now if we look at that column, the only place the 9 can be is here, and the only place the 3 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. And I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 4, 5, 8. 8 here, so 3, 4, 5. 3 and 8 here, so 4, 5. And now if we look at that column, the only place the 8 can be is here, and the only place the 3 can be is here. For this top row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 4 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 4 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 8. Got a 1 here and a 6 here, so 5, 8. 1 here, 8 here, so 5, 6. 6 and 8 here, so 1, 5. And same here, 1, 5. Now if we look at this row, the only place the 4 can be is here. That 4 makes this our 5. That 4 makes this our 5, 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 6, 1, 5, 8. This 4 and 5 makes this our 7, 4. This 4 makes this our 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 4, 7, 4, 7. And now we just have this box. We're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.